Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Flight Simulator. First, let's get you oriented with the basic controls. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys for movement and the mouse for camera view. Press E to start your engine and G to toggle your landing gear. P initiates pushback from the gate. Familiarize yourself with the heads-up display, showing crucial information like altitude and speed. Selecting your initial aircraft is simple. Just pick one that suits your style from the hangar. We'll cover everything to become a skilled pilot. Once you've selected your aircraft, it's time for takeoff. First, taxi your plane to the runway, maintaining a slow speed, typically around 25 knots. Set your flaps to 10 or 15 degrees, depending on your aircraft type. Then, increase your throttle to 100%. As you gain speed, gently pull up on your mouse to rotate and lift off the ground. Once you have a positive rate of climb, retract your landing gear by pressing G to reduce drag and continue your ascent smoothly. Landing requires precision. Begin by reducing your throttle to decrease speed and deploy your flaps gradually for a controlled descent. Utilize the Instrument Landing System, or ILS, to align your aircraft perfectly with the runway centerline. As you approach the runway, ensure your landing gear is down. Upon touchdown, apply your brakes by holding B or pressing R for maximum braking, and use reverse thrust if available. For longer flights, engage autopilot to maintain a set altitude and heading, making your journey more relaxed. To truly master Roblox Flight Simulator, consistent practice is key. Experiment with various aircraft, from small propeller planes to large airliners, to understand their unique handling characteristics. Explore the diverse airports and islands available, each offering different challenges. Don't hesitate to use advanced camera modes, like the cockpit view, for an immersive experience. Finally, engage with the vibrant community. Many experienced pilots share valuable tips and participate in role-play scenarios, enhancing your overall flight simulation adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.